Well, let's just keep one thing in mind. All IRAs are self-directed. Self-directing is just a marketing term that we use in our industry. Self-directed IRAs is not a specific type of IRA. In fact, all IRAs are governed by the same set of rules. The one thing that we want you to understand is the main differences between a classical brokerage firm such as a Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, or TD, and so on. They only allow you to invest in their products, okay, which primarily rely within stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. Whereas a self-directed IRA custodian, trustee, or administrator such as the IRA Club allow you to invest in alternative assets, which lie within real estate, land, promissory notes, mobile homes, Airbnbs, oil and gas, life settlements, and so on. Just keep one thing in mind. At the IRA Club, we cannot choose the investment for the investor. You must choose an investment that best fits your future. The only piece of advice that we give, choose an investment that you know and understand.